Hello, I'm Jonathan from RIG Kia Berry, and today I've got a very special guest with us.
Hi guys, I'm Jack and I'm from the Is It Worth It YouTube channel, and today I'm on a myth-busting mission. I'm here to debunk 6 key common misconceptions people have surrounding electric vehicles. So let's waste no time, let's get right to it. Follow me.
You must charge a Kia EV every night.
Well, no actually, Kia EVs have a range up to 375 miles, depending on the model, how you drive and the temperature outside. With the average UK commute just being 15 miles, that means potentially you don't need to charge this up for a full working week, or even a month. So say goodbye to petrol stations and enjoy the convenience of charging at home.
Kia EV maintenance is more expensive than petrol or diesel.
So unlike traditional vehicles that require servicing every 12 to 15,000 miles, which could end up costing you more with oil and filter changes. In contrast, Kia EVs only need servicing every 2 years, which makes maintenance even more simpler and affordable.
Charging takes hours on long journeys.
On average, drivers spend 28 minutes at a service station on a long trip, which in that time, Kias can charge up to 80%, which is perfect for a break.
Electricity is more expensive than petrol and diesel.
Did you know many energy providers such as Octopus Energy provide special off-peak charging tariffs from as low as 7.5 pence per kilowatt hour? So that means you can charge your Kia EV at home for less than £7, which is a fraction of what you pay for fuel.
There aren't enough charging points.
So if you think about it, there's actually only 8,500 petrol stations within the UK compared to the 44,000 charging stations, and that number is growing every day, which means charging in public and at home has never been more accessible.
Kia EVs aren't reliable.
Kia EVs have fewer moving parts when compared to traditional petrol or diesel cars, reducing the chance of mechanical failure. A traditional engine such as this has over 30,000 parts, whereas a Kia EV's motor is far simpler and more durable. All Kia EV batteries and motors come with an 8-year warranty or 100,000 miles, offering peace of mind and reliability.
Okay, so I'd just like to say a massive thanks to Jack from Is It Worth It for coming down today and really helping us to debunk some of those popular myths. How have you found it, Jack?
Yeah, well thanks Johnny, I've certainly learned a lot today and I hope you guys have too. If you still have concerns about owning an electric vehicle, RIG Kia Berry are always happy to help.